Many of us start the day by reaching for a bottle like this. The logic is simple. If our bodies need a specific nutrient, we swallow a pill to add it to our system. We tend to assume that health is a simple checklist, where more ingredients always equal a better result. Industrial mills use that same logic to create massive batches of animal feed, meticulously measuring out every grain and mineral. But even with these precise recipes, animals often show signs of severe malnutrition. This happens because inside a living body, minerals do not act alone. They are constantly interacting, sometimes helping each other be absorbed, but often crashing into one another and canceling each other out. To understand why a diet fails, we must look past the ingredients listed on the bag and look at the chemical battle that takes place after the animal eats. Take this flock of broiler chickens, for example. Many of them are struggling with weak legs and brittle bones, even though they are growing rapidly. At the same time, this dairy cow is losing her hair and suffering from constant digestive issues. On paper, both of these animals are being fed a perfect diet. Lab tests show their feed has more than enough of the minerals required to keep them healthy. The nutrients are physically present in the feed trough, but they aren't reaching the animal's bloodstream. Something is intercepting them. Finding those missing nutrients requires us to look closely at the complex internal biological environment where they are actively processed. A chicken has a very fast-moving digestive system. It's a simple, direct path where food is processed quickly, giving the body only a short window of time to grab what it needs. A cow is different. It relies on a massive fermentation vat called the rumen. Here, billions of microbes slowly break down plants over many hours. Because these two systems operate at different speeds and use different chemical rules, they face entirely different types of mineral blockers. To help our chicken's bones grow, the feed was fortified with extra calcium. Grain feeds contain phytate. Excess calcium binds to it, forming a sticky web that traps essential minerals, like manganese, excreting them unused. By reducing calcium, the web weakens. Adding the phytase enzyme acts as scissors, breaking the web and releasing trapped minerals into the body. For these birds, health isn't about adding more minerals to the pile. It's about using enzymes to unlock the ones that are already there. In our dairy cow, the problem is copper. Her diet is rich in it, but her body is starving for it. In the rumen, molybdenum and sulfur merge, hunting down copper and encasing it in a hard, unabsorbable shell. To bypass this, we use shielded minerals, wrapping copper in protective amino acids. The blockers no longer recognize the disguised copper, allowing safe absorption into the cells. In the slow-moving chemistry of a cow's stomach, the way a nutrient is packaged is just as important as the nutrient itself. These cases show us that modern nutrition follows three universal rules. Rule 1. Manage the ratios. Keeping minerals like calcium in balance prevents the chain reactions that trap other nutrients. Rule 2. Anticipate the blockers. You have to monitor the specific plant compounds in poultry feed and the soil minerals in cattle water. Rule 3. Use technology to bypass the struggle. Enzymes and shielded minerals ensure that the nutrients actually reach their destination. Mastering these rules allows a producer to manage the entire biological ecosystem inside the animal. When we manage these unseen microscopic interactions, the result is a thriving, productive herd. This also prevents the massive waste of expensive feed and avoids the heavy cost of veterinary emergencies. Ultimately, nutritional success is a result of how well these elements cooperate once they are inside the animal.